In this tutorial, we will discuss how to set up and integrate your email boxes by using the mail function of the MacBook Air. So if you look and find the stamp that has an eagle on it, if you can't find it in your dock, you may have to find it in your Launchpad and click on it and open it up. Now, as you can see, I already have one email set up, and this is my lower school sports email since I'm the coordinator of that. But I'm going to set up my TFA school mailbox. So what I want to do is I want to go to File, Mail over here, go to Preferences, and I'm going to add an account. So if I click this little plus button down here, I'm going to add an account. Now, we are using Google, but it is not a Google Mail. We own the domain rights to thefirstacademy.org. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to click on the Add Other Mail Account. So we click on that button, hit Continue. Put your full name, whatever your name you want it to look like. I didn't capitalize it the last time, so I'm going to capitalize it, make it look a little bit more professional with the best practices here. Your email address, I'm going to type in Brandon Hazard at thefirstacademy.org, and I'm going to type in my password, and I'm going to hit Create. Now, if you notice right here it says your account must be manually configured, so we're going to click on the Next. And with thefirstacademy.org, we use IMAP. A lot of web-based emails use POP3s, so since we're in IMAP, make sure that that is clicked. Your mail server, you want to type in imap.gmail.com. Now your username, yes, it has Brandon Hazard there, but for our purposes, we want to make sure for our username we have the entire email account. So you need to add at thefirstacademy.org. Password, it should already be there from when you entered it on the last screen, but just in case, enter your password if you need to. Click Next, and that's for the incoming. So now we're going to set up the outgoing server. So we're waiting for it to sign in. Okay. Now the SMTP server, so we're going to type in, just like the example shows here, smtp.gmail.com. Username is optional. I'm going to go ahead and put that in there, Brandon Hazard at the firstacademy.org. And I'm going to enter my password. It just makes it a little easier on the back end, so you don't have to keep entering it every time you want to send an email. Hit Create. And if you look over here in my inbox for my mailboxes, here is my First Academy email. And as you see, Jared Gallagher gave me a great little email about lower school registration. So that is how you set up your mail. You can do the same thing. Let me go over here to the accounts. Now, as you see, I have my iCloud account, my school account, and my lower school. If you want to integrate a Hotmail or Gmail or anything like that, you just go over here and set up the same thing. You may have to enter some of the credentials, and if you do a quick Google search, it may come up with that for you, or it may automatically pop it up in there for you. But you can integrate all your email accounts in one-stop shop. You just got to add it to them. If you decide later on that you don't want them in your email app, you just click on the one you want, hit the minus, and it'll allow you to delete the account that you want to delete. And that is how you can add your email to your MacBook Air.